boys, for Reading Time with CJ. I'm so happy that you're here with me today. And are you ready to see what's in my magic bag of books? Me too. Let's take a look together. Wow, look what we have here. Andrew, Drew, and Drew. Written and illustrated by Barney Saltzberg. He drew and drew and drew. Andrew never knew what would happen when he began. He began with nothing but a line. And before he knew it, ideas would start to fly. Andrew thought that making a drawing was like making magic. He drew things that he saw and things that he imagined. Sometimes Andrew drew nothing at all, but he never stopped for long. Andrew doodled and doodled. Sometimes he noodled and cock-a-doodle doodled. When night drew near, as it always does, Andrew knew there would always be more to draw tomorrow. Wow, girls and boys, what beautiful illustrations in this book. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope that you draw as well at home and that you have ideas some days and some you don't. But what matters is that you take the time to draw something, anything that you imagine. I would love to hear what you draw at home, and you can even post pictures in my comment box below, all right, friends? I would love to see them. And until I see you next time, you can also purchase this book so that we can read together next time together, all right? The link is in my description box below. Thank you so much. Until we see you next time, bye-bye.